Hi, I'm Catherine from Organized by Catherine. Are your gift baggies getting out of control? Here's a great idea for storing them and getting them under control. Find your biggest bag. I like to use this one because it's got a Christmas pattern on the outside. Take your gift bags, flatten them down, put them in here. And if you want to be super organized, throw in a roll of tape, some tissue paper, and those little to and from labels. That way when you go to do your wrapping, it's all there and it's easy to find because of the Christmas motif on the side of the bag. Is your Christmas roll out of control? Here's a great tip for storing them. Use an old suit bag. It holds a whole bunch of rolls. Put them in, zip it up and store it in a closet. For more great organizing tips, visit my website, organizedbycatherine.ca.